Now I would like to explain that experiment number 10, file handling, and that first one, to choose create a my file name, my source text, write your own profile into the my file my source.txt. Copy this file. First one, import package. Inside that main method, create a buffer reader object and read all the contents of the source file. Then create a buffer writer object using while we read contents into the new file. Then delete the old file while using the deleted method. Then enclose all the file operators in a try catch block and stops the program. And second program, create a function in Java to count the number of embedded white spaces and punctuations present in text file named sample. First we import a package for the file operators, then initialize to the count variable, then create a buffer reader object and read all the contents from the file, then store it in the array. The number of white spaces will be 1 minus the number of words. So the length of the array gives the word count, and 1 minus length of the array is the number of white spaces. Then it encloses all file operations in a try catch block and stops the program. Third program, to create a Java function while using A stream and B stream. First we import the package for file operation, then initiate file class with the file location as parameter. Use create new file method and file class and read a new text file named file.txt. Instantiate file writer class with file location of first.txt and append mode as parameters. Call the writer method of the file writer class. Write the following text into the file. A stream is communication channel that a program has with the outside world. It is used to transfer data items in succession. Initialize file writer, then class with class. Write the following text into the file. An input-output stream represents an input source or an output destination. A stream A can represent many different kinds of sources and destinations, including disk, file devices, other programs, and memory arrays. Initiating file reader class parameter buffer reader class for the second text, and use the create new file method of a file class and create another file named final.txt. Instantiate final file writer class with file location of final text and append mode. The readline method of the buffer reader class returns null in case of EOF. Loop into the file using read file method. Read the text from the second text file and write each line into the file final.txt. Enclose all the file operations in a try catch block and it stops the program. Then fourth program, to create a Java class with an extract every word. First we import to IO package inside a main method. Create an array to store an array the words from the file, and also initialize a variable count equal to O. Create a buffer reader object, and using that object read the contents in the file and store each word into the array using split method to get each word. Using a for loop through the array, taking each word and checking whether the first letter is either or if so increase count, print the count, enclose all these statements in try catch block, and it executes the package of IO.